Welcome back to Zero Anchor, and today we are going to be interviewing Karen.
Also known as
Grammy, for us at least.
We're just getting our introductions out, and then after we're gonna cut to us interviewing Grammy. It's gonna be lots of fun. Hello, my name is Neville. I am 11 years old. Full name is Neville Mason Shaw.
Hi, my name is Raywin, and my full name is Raywin Loxley Shaw. And I'm 8 years old, and I'm gonna go interview Graham right now. Bye.
Well, I like information. Information is good, you know, for blackmailing people. And I just want to know more about her childhood, how she came to be what she is today.
Where are you from?
I was born in Oregon.
Okay. And are you named after someone?
No, my mother got my name out of a magazine.
Okay.
Where did you go to school and what did you learn there?
Well, I went to school at Radford College in Virginia for 4 years and got my undergraduate degree in business. Then I went to Eastern Kentucky University and got my master's in business. And then I went to work for the state of Kentucky and the University of Kentucky as a budget person. So I've pretty much been doing budgeting 35 years until I retired.
Wow.
Yeah.
If there was one thing you could change in your past, what would it be?
It would be to probably have more confidence in myself and not be so hard on myself for making mistakes. Because really mistakes are the way you learn.
Yeah.
And I didn't know that when I was younger.
Are there any hobbies you like to do other than budgeting?
Well, I do like that crocheting and reading occasionally, like a lot.
Yeah. So, Grammy, did you get in trouble as a child? And if so, how do they punish you?
Well, occasionally I did. The one I remember the most, I guess, is that when my sister was born, I was 4 years old, and she came home from the hospital, and I didn't know it at the time, but I think I was probably pretty jealous of her. So I bit her on the leg. Yeah. Well, my mother bit me back. And it taught me a pretty good lesson, I think, you know, what it felt like to be bitten. So I didn't bite her anymore.
So, Grammy, what is your favorite, what's your favorite thing about being a grandparent?
My grandkids.
Yeah.
Of course. It's being able to spend time with some kids that I just absolutely adore and not have to be the bad guy.
Yeah. Grammy, what's the first job you had that someone paid you for?
My first job was working for People's Drugstore as a clerk behind a cosmetic counter.
Oh.
And I got paid $1.20 an hour, which back in those days was a lot, you know, $1.20.
Did your parents let you eat candy as a child? And if so, what was your favorite?
Oh yes, back in those days they really didn't keep us from eating all the sweets. I kind of wish they had, because I ended up getting a lot of cavities when I was younger.
Yeah, there you go. All right. Okay.
Hi, today we're going to learn about budgeting.
With our Grammy.
How exciting, we're going to learn what a budget is.
Yeah.
If you like numbers, it's exciting. Basically, a budget is just a plan. Okay, it's a plan for how you expect to spend your money. Let's assume that you're out in the world and you have a really good salary. Okay? You're making $140,000 year. This person has $10,000 a month, and they need to figure out how they're going to spend it. And these are things your mom and dad have to pay for. Utilities, they have electric charges, they have water, waste pickup. So all of these things that we have decided we are going to spend our $10,000 a month on, add up to $7,000. And guess what? We plan to save a certain amount of money every month. Okay? Now, if you take that $10,000 and you look at your $7,000 in your budget, you have $3,000 left over.
I didn't really expect this to be what I was gonna learn. I thought we were gonna learn to crochet, but I guess it's an exciting thing to do.
I think budgeting was fun. It's something that I think I'll use in my everyday life in the future. Way, way future. When I have a house. Yeah. It's crazy. This is good. Good to have a budget. You should have a budget too. Everyone should have a budget.
Very interesting eyes you have. Are we doing who blinks first?
Did I blink?
You're on a movie set or something, don't you?
Yeah, all the bright lights. Only one bright
You
light.
could get a thing where you could do a wheel, like have a wheel on the bottom. Yeah. So you can roll it around.
Paint.
Okay, now go, girl.
She's paint.
I know, she's like blue.
Slime, paint. Probably paint on my face too.
She really likes to crochet. She crochets a lot because, well, she has nothing else to do. She's retired. She does nothing for a living.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi, Rosie.
You touch.
Right? Ooh, you farted. Mom,
Yes.
stop with the camera. You did not stop it.
You're right, I didn't.
You did not stop.
Liquid gold. It really is. Comedy gold here.
Mom, stop it. Why?